How to download music from YouTube as a MP3 file. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So what we can do is we can start by going to a browser and go to youtube.com. And if you want to do it without any copyright or in the legal way, this is the way you need to follow. And once you open it up, all you gotta do is go to your profile in the top right corner and click on it. And here, select the option of YouTube Studio. And once we select YouTube Studio, what we need to do is on our left hand side, we'll be finding different options. We need to click on this option called Content. And once we click on Contents, here you'll be finding different options, or we can scroll down and look out for Audio Library instead. And once we click on Audio Library here, we can filter out different tracks available. These are the musics that we can download. So here, look out for this download option in the top right corner and click on it. And once we click on it, the music should be downloaded. And we can see the music is in .mp3 format, the one that we are looking for. If you're trying to download it from YouTube itself, another contents, it may be copyright. So we just need to go ahead and follow out this legal step if we really want to download music in official MP3 way. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.